Let's learn how to use the SENKO Multi Cradle Charger. The MGT Multi Cradle Charger is a charging dock holding up to 5 MGTs and charging them simultaneously. It is CE approved. This is the most user-friendly, reliable, and cost-effective way to ensure safety, compliance, and productivity. Before use, you need to assemble the plug to the adapter according to the usage environment. After putting it to the hole, turn it to the right, and the adapter fits to the plug. When you push this button, once you turn it left, you can disassemble the adapter. Plug in the assembled adapter as on the video and turn the switch on. After that, put the MGT into the multi-cradle slot.